Give parents the promise of a brighter future, not just a seat in your preschool. Introduce them to the UKG Smart Book Kit, a thoughtfully designed to elevate your preschool's brand and leave a lasting impression on every parent with anytime, anywhere learning platform, which comes absolutely free with every kit. Our UKG books have been thoughtfully designed to meet the requirements of the National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023, ensuring your school is future-ready, compliant, and child-centric. The Smart Book Kit for UKG covers a 64 pages progress with phonics book, a 40 pages My Bright Picture book of rhymes, a 32 pages art activity book, a 240 pages My Practice workbook, 88 pages Hindi Praveshika book, a 92 pages Book of Language Activity, a 84 pages My Bright Picture Book of EVS, a 124 pages Picture Book of Composite Mathematics, a 36 pages My Bright Picture Book of Computer Learning. The Smart Book Kit comes complete with subject notebooks, activity charts, crayons, and more. Everything a UKG child needs for a fun-filled and holistic learning journey. This book kit also includes a free DIY multiple intelligence portal card to access interactive activities such as quiz, craft work, Montessori exercises of practical life, etc. Now, discover our smart books, the book that talks, teaches, and guides. Just scan and learn. Loved by teachers for instant guidance in the classroom, with over 1,000 free videos built right into the books, learning comes alive, anytime, anywhere. No separate app needed, no extra payment. Parents simply scan a QR code to unlock teacher-guided video lessons that complement the books. Why preschool owners choose this kit? 1. Enhances the perceived value of your preschool program. 2. Impresses parents and builds a stronger school trust. 3. Offers effortless reinforcement of classroom learning at home. 4. Positions your school as progressive and parent-focused. 5. Increases your brand credibility with minimal additional effort. This UKG Smart Book Kit is the perfect value addition to your preschool's offering. There is a separate unboxing video which gives a nearly real-life experience of this Smart Book Kit.